right. So far we got our console light in. It came with the whole harness, which we didn't need, but we have use for this when we do our light here, which we do in a minute. We have our extension for the auxiliary real fast. That's in, so that's here. Going to position all of that stuff, get it routed, button up the console, and then we'll take this dash pad back off and have it finalized. Get the light in there done. And then, done deal. Console complete. Dash pad in, mounted, complete. Map light works. All that's done. Obviously, just gotta mount the seat, figure out our steering wheel situation, which isn't really a situation, and we're pretty much done. You know about 60s power seats. Oh, I see. It's all back together. Tom's really happy. Woo! That was a battle.